Removing a background in Davinci Resolve does not have to be confusing or advanced. In this video, I will demonstrate two simple methods for doing it. One method uses Davinci Resolve's built-in tools, and the other uses an AI-based solution for more complex backgrounds. By the end, you will know which option works best for your footage and how to use it step by step. Let us start with the first method. This method is great if your background is a solid color, like green, blue, or any background with strong contrast, like this, my avatar video with green screen. Let's add it to the timeline. First, make sure you are on Edit page. Then open the effects library from the top left corner. Inside OpenFX, go to Resolve FX key and search for 3D keyer. Drag the 3D keyer effect and drop it onto your video clip in the timeline. Now it is time to select the background. Click on the inspector in the top right and open the Effects tab. In the viewer, look at the drop-down menu in the bottom left. It usually says Transform. Change it to OpenFX Overlay so you can see the keying tools on screen. In the inspector, make sure the eyedropper tool is selected. Click and drag across the background color in your video. In most cases, the background will disappear right away. If the result is not perfect, do not worry. You can refine the result easily by adjusting Dispill, Chroma Tolerance, and Chroma Softness. If you still see small parts of the background, then scroll down to Matte Finesse. Increase Clean Black to remove leftover noise in the transparent areas. Increase Clean White if you notice holes appearing inside your subject. Take a few seconds here. Small adjustments make a big difference. Now, let us move to the second method using the free RMBG Fuse plugin. This is an AI-based tool that works inside the Fusion page. It is very useful when you do not have a green screen or when the background is complex. This setup is done only once. First, you need to install Python. Download Python version 3.1 or 3.12 from the official Python website. Don't install a higher or lower version, as they won't work. During installation, if you are using Windows, make sure to check the option that says Add Python to Path. I have already installed it, so I am not doing it. Next, download the RMBG Fuse files from Aquascape's GitHub page. The link is in the description. Unzip the folder, open RMBG, then RMBG Fuse main, then copy the RMBG folder. After that, open Davinci Resolve and go to the Fusion page. Click on the Fusion menu at the top, then Fusion Settings, and then Path Map. Find the option called Fuses. Right-click on the first path and open the folder. Paste the RMBG folder inside. Once done, restart Davinci Resolve. Let's install other dependencies. While the node is selected, click Open Setup in the right-hand side menu. It will open the windows to install dependencies according to your system. If it is not working, you can manually open the RMBG Manager application from the folder. As you can see in Windows, you can choose Standard Installation for basic installation, CPU only if you don't have a GPU, CUDA support if you have NVIDIA, and ROCm support for AMD users. I go with CUDA. Go to the Edit page. Let's add this video of two women to the timeline. Select it and return to the Fusion page. Hit Shift plus Spacebar. Search for the RMBG plugin and add it. If it is not, link it between Media In and Media Out. It will take some time to remove the background. Let's see how it looks in the Edit page. See how it removes that complex background. That is it. You now know two practical ways to remove backgrounds in Davinci Resolve. One manual and one AI-powered. Try both methods and use the one that fits your project best. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and check out the other tutorials for more simple editing tips.